This is Bootstrap Farmer's microgreen kit for your home. I am so excited to set this up today. This you can set up anywhere you want to in your home. It doesn't take up much space, but I am excited to set it up in my kitchen. And you can see I have this big countertop, so it's ideal for that. But you could put this in the corner of your house, but put it close to your kitchen, because I'm telling you, if I put microgreens in my refrigerator, unfortunately, they don't get used as much. And when I put them on my counter, it's amazing how much I incorporate to my everyday food. This kit comes with 5 10x20 trays, 40 reusable, washable microgreen 5x5s. And so you can have a different variety. And every one of these have 8 varieties growing at once. You have the option of the LED light, which is cool. It has the measuring on the side, so you can make sure that it's level. And the timer on the end, it has 3 different times. This can fit in small spaces. You don't need much room for this. You can put this on a regular grow shelf that you have for your summer seedlings, or you could put it on your windowsill, really. You can grow a variety of seeds. I am gonna grow peas, broccoli, cabbage, and probably some salad mix. I'll figure out something else to grow, but it'll be fun to fill this whole tray up. This is beginner friendly. All the sizes fit together, and so 8 of them fit in each 10x20 tray. And so if I fill this up, you can see how easy it is to bottom water. And so this bottom tray doesn't have any holes. All of these have holes, and so this is kind of cool too. I haven't seen kits come with this, but these are hemp mats that are made to fit. I'll show you. They're made to fit exactly in these little trays. No soil. So if you are doing it in your kitchen, makes them that much cleaner. These are durable, reusable. You can clean them and use them over and over again. I am going to plant all 8 in different varieties, and then we'll show you how it turns out. And like I said, we're going to keep it in the kitchen, close to the food, easy to use. These are going to be as fresh as you possibly could want them. So when they're in your kitchen, you just cut them and you can add them to your food right away. And so they don't get any fresher than that. This is perfect for beginners. You can learn the process and you can build confidence before upscaling. I am so excited to put this together. These are like houseplants for my kitchen that I actually use and that are good for us and nutritious. My grandkids are gonna love to help me put this together. I am going to be back with the second part of this clip after everything is grown. So this is cool too. This comes with an optional LED light. Now you don't need it. I have grown microgreens in my kitchen without an actual grow light, and they just get a little leggy, but they're kind of pretty still, and we still use them. If you use this LED light, the sprouts will grow just a little bit more compact, so they won't get leggy on you. So this is cool that it actually comes with this. If you live in a low light area like I do, I kind of live in a canyon, so there's not a whole lot of light. And nowadays our windows have extra protection on them, so it also makes it to where there's not as much light as gets into your kitchen. So this is a nice option. Let me see what this looks like. This has a control box with 3 different timed features along with an on and off. This has set screws that you can take it higher and lower as your harvest grows. That's so cool. That is some good light